In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a call in Microsoft Teams. Let's get started right from the main Teams window. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with icons for things like Activity, Chat, and Teams. Among those options, look for the one labeled Calendar. Go ahead and click on Calendar. This is where all of your upcoming meetings and calls are organized, very similar to what you might see in Outlook or other calendar apps. Once your calendar view opens, you'll see your days and times laid out in front of you. To schedule a new call, look toward the top right area of the calendar screen for the button that says New Meeting. Click on New Meeting. This tells Teams that you want to create a new scheduled call or meeting rather than starting an instant call. After you click New Meeting, a form will appear where you can type in all the details for your call. Start with the meeting title. Make it something clear and specific so everyone knows what the call is about at a glance. Next, add the required participants by typing their names or email addresses into the attendees field. Teams will suggest contacts as you type, and you can select the correct people from the list. Then choose the date and time for your call. Set the start time and end time carefully to match when everyone is expected to join. If this is a recurring call, such as a weekly check-in, you can adjust the repeat options so you don't have to create the same meeting over and over again. You can also add a location if needed, but for most online calls, it's fine to leave it as a Teams meeting. In the description or notes area, type any important information your participants should know ahead of time, such as the agenda, documents they need to review, or any preparation they should do before joining. Clear notes here can make your meeting run much more smoothly. Once you've filled in all the details and you're happy with the information, look for the Save button, usually located at the top right of the meeting window. Click on Save. When you do this, Teams will add the